Hi, in this video, we're going to talk about how to deal with variables that are inversely proportional to one another. So let's say that y is inversely proportional to x. Then we can write the equation as x times y equals k, where k is the proportion constant. That means that no matter what x and y do, k will always stay the same. So it is actually in our best interest to figure out what k is first. Let's take a look at an example. Let's say y equals 2 when x equals 9. They're inversely proportional variables, and we want to find out what y is when x equals 3. So since they're inversely proportional, we say x times y equals k, and we're going to substitute in our known pair. So x equals 9 when y equals 2. That means 9 times 2 equals k, or k is 18. Well, now that we know our k value, we can substitute that into our formula, and that gives us x times y equals 18. So now that we have our new version of the equation, we can find y when x equals 3 by plugging in 3 to the x. 3 times y equals 18. Divide by that 3 on both sides, and we find that y equals 6. Let's try another problem. In this one, y equals 14 when x equals 5, and we want to find x when y equals 10. So x times y equals k. We can plug in 5 for x and 14 for y. So 5 times 14 equals k, which means k is 70. I substitute that back into my formula, so x times y equals 70. So if that's the case, I want to find x when y is 10. So I'm going to plug in 10 for my y, which just means I really need to divide by 10 on both sides to get the x by itself. Once I do that, I find that x equals 7. And that's how you solve for variables when they are inversely proportional.